In this video, I'm going to be dimensioning our drafting S assignment, which is putting all of the dimensions that we have from our sheet onto this little piece right here in SketchUp. So, coming in, we're going to go to the Dimension tool. Once again, if we don't have this toolbar over here, it's as easy as going to the View, Toolbars, and then selecting the large tool set. Mine's thinking right now as I'm doing that, but I'm going to close that back out. That's how you turn that on. The check mark there will turn it on for you. The next tool that I'm going to go over and use is the Dimension tool. In the Dimension tool, I want to click the endpoint and click the other endpoint and then slide over to the left and click where we have these dimensions. Green point here to this point right here. Right now it doesn't show the right thing, but as I slide to the left, it's going to try to find what I'm looking for, and that's my 3-inch margin. From the top over here, we're going from the green to the green, sliding straight up to get our 1/16, and the green to the far portion right here and sliding straight up to get our 3 inches. Over here in the right hand edge, we have our 1 3/4 from here to here. In the middle, we have our 2 points there to get our 1/8 of an inch, which is hard to see because it's really small. And then we have our 1/2 an inch. And then we also have our 1/2 an inch this way. Now, we're missing our circle information. And to do that, we actually have to hang out over the circles first. So if we come in and click, not so much the endpoint, but from here to here, so endpoint, hover over the circle, it'll activate the middle, click, and we can slide left and right to get that information. So there's my 1 3/8. Click, activates that center, click, slide straight down for a 1 7/16. I forgot about my overall bottom here quick. I'm just going to do that, my 4 11/16. Same thing for the other circle here, clicking, hanging out over top, which allows me to turn this on. There's my 3/4, and then click, center, sliding straight down for my 1 3/8. Now lastly, I need to come in and get my radius. If I hang out over top and click and move, it gives me a diameter. Alright? Click and move, it gives me a diameter. I can then right click. I can then, after I right click, go to type and go to radius. Right click, type, radius. Now we have all the information we need to be ready to do the last thing, which is sending this file to layout. Thank you for watching. One more time, file save, just to make sure we save our piece. That's it.